Alright, my friends, really quickly wanted to show you my storage unit, in which this is a 10 by 5 unit that I've recently upgraded to. Now, as you can see, it's pretty much already full. May need to rearrange it a little better, but yeah, this is pretty much all my winter stuff. You can see my 2 snowblowers, and you got a bunch of the winter stuff right there. We got my lawnmower, some rakes and whatnot, chainsaw, Ego snowblower. Then I got some things over here, things that kind of like things I've gotten on jobs, basically from customers that I've sold some of it, and other things I need to get back up on, like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or wherever, Amazon, eBay. Ton of college student textbooks in there. I know how expensive those are, so when I saw a student was throwing them away, I was like, ooh, give me those. I actually made a few dollars already off of some of those. Got some games in here, the pandemic. This fan, speaker. That's it. This, I don't know what that is, a light for growing. All things I got on jobs for free. And then everything else in here, you know, all my things, ladder, things that I use on jobs pretty much. Don't really use this for personal storage. Don't really have a need for too much stuff. You know, there's like a suitcase over there. But otherwise, got some boxes in the back. So, yeah, nice, perfect space unit for me that I need. Today, we're going to be doing some yard work. Kind of the first yard work job for the season for me. So, grabbing that guy. Then we'll grab some of these, and I already have pretty much all the other tools I need. So, we're kind of good with that. Don't need haven't had any lawn mowing jobs yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll need that pretty soon as well. So yeah, not too shabby, not too shabby. Wanted you guys to get a look at my 10 by 5 space unit in case you are contemplating on buying a unit. I upgraded from a 5 by 5, you know, basically half of this. And this new unit is perfect for me. So I got to keep it moving, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Peace.